What are you throwing the ball now? Show me how you hit the ball. Show me how you hit it. Yeah, you gotta put the ball up there first. There you go. Okay. Yeah, good job. Woohoo! That's perfect. That's perfect. Here you go. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. Oh, you almost got it. Good job. Mama, I'm playing T-ball.
No, you're not. Are you really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Show Mama how you hit the ball.
Okay.
Show Mama how you hit the ball.
Show me how you hit the ball.
You need the bat. Okay. Mama, here's the ball. This is how I slam dunk. Oh. Show you how I slam dunk this sucker.
I'm all-star, Dad. I'm all-star. Check my football. Oh.
So good I can slam dunk a football. You can't slam dunk a football. You can slam dunk a baseball. You can slam dunk a football. That was like a no-look slam dunk.
There's another ball in there, Dad. Dunk! Oh! Show me how
Pretty
you play
impressive.
T-ball.
I'm done with that.
You done with T-ball? I want to see
Slam dunk.
T-ball.